Alright, quick update, man. Finally got this thing completely coated. This is what I put under the car. It's a different kind, so bottom, what it looked like. It went on pretty good. I gotta do another coat just to be safe, but man, just adding value to the car since it was since we already at this point. I mean, the frame coated, so shit, you know how that go. I ain't planning on selling it, but proof positive. I built this bitch myself, doing the work myself. I ain't no pro, but I think it looked good, so we're gonna go with that. So yeah, man, just a quick update, man. That bottom looking good. I'm gonna have to get some better pictures, but it's cold and I don't want to open the damn door. So, but yeah, man, just a quick visual of what we got going on. She looking decent. You know, ain't gonna be no trash bucket out there, but